My name is Youstina Bolos. I'm a podiatrist here at the Florida Orthopaedic Institute, and I've been practicing for about 4 years. I completed a 3-year surgical residency in forefoot and rear foot reconstruction at the James A. Haley VA here in Tampa, and I really enjoyed working with our veterans, getting to hear their stories and the challenges that they face in their daily lives really helped to make me a better practitioner. I treat any condition below the knee, that's to the lower extremity, including the foot and ankle, things like wound care, patients who develop ulcerations due to pressure, diabetic neuropathy, traumatic injuries, or delayed healing surgical incisions. Other things that I treat are arthritis or injuries that don't require surgical intervention, heel pain, or dermatological conditions like plantar warts or suspicious lesions or ingrown toenails. I also can fit patients for custom orthotics and custom bracing. I love that I can get patients back on their feet, literally. When somebody's feet hurt, they can't do much. They're unable to do the activities that they love to do, and it just really debilitates people. So getting them back on their feet and feeling better for me is very gratifying. I really enjoy working at the Florida Orthopaedic Institute, not only for the academic and research components that it offers to me as a practitioner. I can grow in my knowledge and education, but also the comprehensive patient care approach that we have here. Being among the best physicians and orthopedic surgeons provides patients with the best care.